Hello viewer, welcome to the YouTube channel FahadYounas. Today I will discuss the topic Charles Darwin's life and work, revolutionizing natural science. Charles Darwin and his discoveries. It is not the strongest of the species that survives, nor the most intelligent, but the one most responsive to change. Charles Darwin. 2500 pages written by Darwin. Charles Darwin is known for his extensive contribution to the scientific field, as represented by his 2500 pages of written work. 5. Darwin's theory of evolution. 19. Darwin wrote on the origin of species when he was only 19 years old, which went on to become one of the most influential scientific works in history. Charles Darwin, Evolution Theory, Early Life of Darwin. Born in 1809, England, Charles Darwin was the son of the wealthy doctor of Francia. He began medical studies at University of Edinburgh before transferring to Cambridge to study natural history. The voyage. In 1831, Darwin embarked on a 5-year survey work around the world on the HMS Beagle. During this voyage, Darwin made many observations and took extensive notes and specimens of the natural world. The evolution theory in 1859, Darwin published his landmark book on the origin of species by means of natural selection, in which he presented his theory of evolution. The book introduced the concept of natural selection, which explains how species evolve over time through the process of adaptation. Darwin's legacy. Charles Darwin theories have had a profound impact on the fields of biology and anthropology and have greatly influenced scientific thinking and progress. His work continues to be studied by debated by scholars and scientists around the world. Timeline of Darwin's life. Point 1. Darwin set sail. In 1831, Darwin set out on his voyage to the Galapagos Island, where he observed a variety of species that would later contribute to his theory of evolution. Point 2. Origins of species. After years of research and decomponent, Darwin published his famous book on the origin of species in 1859, laying out his theory of natural selection and evolution. Point 3. Darwin's death. Charles Darwin passed away in 1882 at the age of 73, having left an indelible impact on the scientific community and the world as a whole. Darwin awarded. In 1853, Darwin was awarded the Royal Society Medal for his significant contributions to natural science, committing his legacy as a pioneering biologist. Charles Darwin and his two main points. Charles Darwin was a renowned English naturalist and geologist and biologist who is the best known for his groundbreaking work on the theory of evolution by natural selection. His main points revolved around two fundamental concepts: evolution and natural selection. Evolution. Darwin proposed that the all species of life have descended over time from common ancestors through a process called descent. With modification, he suggested that species evolve gradually over generations through a mechanism he termed natural selection. This process involves the differential survival and reproduction of individuals due to differences in their traits. Individuals with advantages traits that are better suited to their environments and more likely to survive, reproduce, and pass on those beneficial traits to their offspring. Over time, these small changes accumulate, leading to the emergence of new species. Point 2, natural selection. Darwin's concept of natural selection is the converts and cornerstones of his theory of evolution. It refers to the process where organisms that are better adapted to their environment tend to survive and reproduce more successfully than those less adapted. As a result, advantages trade become more common in the population over successive generations, while less favorable traits diminish. Natural selection acts on variations present in populations, leading to the adaptation of organisms to their environments and the diversity of life form observed on Earth. These two main points lead the foundation for the theory of evolution and provided a comprehensive explanation for the diversity of life on Earth, revolutionizing scientific understanding in biology and challenging prevailing belief about the origin and development of species. Darwinism today. Charles Darwin's theory of evolution by natural selection. We appreciate your support for FahadYounas channel. Please consider sharing, liking, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching and sharing my video.